Hello, all, it's Ahmed here from Recruitable University, and welcome back to the recruitment program. So we've gone through business development, how to BD organically and get clients and leads in order to email them, cold call, and try to win business. Now we've gone also through once you've won that business and you've got those clients, how to build a client relationship, how to keep those clients, and hopefully have a longer term relationship. Now we're going to talk about online presence, different ways of having an online presence in order to attract clients. The first one of them is having a website. It's fairly straightforward. What you want ideally on your website is a page where clients can visit your web page and submit any vacancies or any inquiries that they have. So it should look something like this. So once they go on your website, they've got to submit a vacancy. They put in their details, their name, their company name, number, and a bit more about what they are looking for. So this way, you get some traffic coming into your website. You get clients emailing, so messaging on your website saying, "I'm looking for a software engineer. I'm looking for a doctor. I'm looking for a web developer. I'm looking for whatever they're looking for in your chosen niche." So what you want to have is a website and have a page where your clients, where the employees can come onto your website and submit any vacancies that they have at their organization. So first one, have a website. It's fairly straightforward, but it's effective, and it doesn't cost you anything for those clients, for this sort of leads, for this business to come your way. You just have a good website. Doesn't have to be fancy. Just make sure you've got the functionality of having a submit a vacancy page. Next thing, again, this is a little bit, this, it does get technical, but this is more.
Hey, Ahmed here. I hope you're finding value in this video. If you need any free advice or help with your recruitment agency, or you're thinking of starting your own agency but have some questions, feel free to join our weekly Q&A. You may have seen some clips from it on my page. I'll post a link in my Telegram community, which is completely free to join. I don't even need your email or phone number, and I'll personally be there to answer any of your questions. The link is down below for those of you who are interested. Now let's get back to the video.
A little bit more advanced. What you can, and it's not a requirement, it's not a must, but it does help. And what we're trying to do here is trying to maximize and trying to grow your agency and get as big really quickly as quick as we can. So what we want to do is, once you have the capacity, you've got the time, and also got the funds, what you want to do is go on like websites like Fiverr, people per hour, and Upworks. There's so many websites. So Fiverr, or people per hour. So we can go and just click on people per hour. So this is one of the websites. You just log in, and once you log in, you type in what you are looking for. So you can just type in, "I'm looking for an SEO and person for my website." Now, what is an SEO, and how does this actually help your business? How does this help your agency grow? So what SEO is this is what it is pretty much in a nutshell. So it's, when you go on Google and you type in, let's just say you type in hotels. So the top ranking ones generally are the ones that spend money on SEO, so they rank to the top. So when a client is looking for a recruitment agency, they'll type in hotel recruitment agencies, or if they're looking for an IT recruitment agency, they'll type in IT recruitment agency. What you want to do is you want to be ranking somewhere near the top, where the client will be like, okay, let me just quickly call this number, because they're not going to scroll on page number 15 or page number 14 in order to find your agency. So what SEO looks like is just increase the rankings. You get to the top of the pages rather than being, down the bottom somewhere. And in turn, this will increase your organic traffic. So more and more clients will be on your website because you are ranking somewhere near the top. So they'll click on your website and you'll get more traffic coming into your website. What that means is more traffic on your website is potentially more calls. So the more people that actually visit your website, more clients that visit your website, they'll submit their vacancy on your website, or they will pick up the phone and just like, "Hey, I just found you guys on Google. I'm looking for a software engineer, and I can see that you guys are an IT recruitment agency. Do you have anyone available? I'm looking for someone over the next coming months." So this business literally all came from those SEOs. And then what that means is increased sales. So the more clients are calling you, the more chances from turning those client calls into a sale, which will increase your revenue. So this is literally it in a nutshell. Increased rankings, increased organic traffic will increase your calls and your web forms, the vacancies that we talked about, and it will increase in sales, and increase in sales means increase in revenue. So this is SEOs in a nutshell. So if you are able to, again, if you come from an IT background and you know how to do this yourself, this is fantastic. If you don't come from an IT background like myself, just invest in someone. You can just pay someone. It can cost you anything from like £50 a month to a couple of £100 a month. Really depends on the type of keywords, but it's something that you can go on people per hour. This website here, or Fiverr, or so many different websites as well. People per hour is just, it would work wonders. Just type in that you're looking for an SEO person, and you'll get someone responding back to you with a rate, and you can negotiate. And so after this, and we've got social media presence. So social media, certain industries, certain niches, it does really work. And other niches, it doesn't really work as much. So if you're in an industry, in a niche where social media is very much used, then go on social media. You can find your clients on potentially, I don't know, on Instagram, on TikTok, on YouTube. It's not something that I personally use for my industry, for the companies that we are running. But again, if it's a recruitment agency in your in the niche, in the field that you've chosen, if it's something that you could potentially get clients, doesn't cost you anything. Why not create yourself a social media account, Twitter or X or Instagram, or whatever platform you want to use, and you have an online presence on social media, and potentially get some clients coming back your way. Another way of advertising and getting clients is LinkedIn. LinkedIn, you can potentially get a lot of clients from LinkedIn. So go on LinkedIn, and you can attract a lot of clients, you can attract a lot of candidates on LinkedIn. So post vacancies on LinkedIn. Whenever you post a vacancy on LinkedIn, hundreds and thousands of candidates and clients will see that you are recruiting. And also this, if you're recruiting for other agencies, if you're recruiting for other organizations, then a hiring manager may actually contact you, say, hey, we are also looking, do you mind finding us some candidates as well? So LinkedIn, you can use the free LinkedIn the version, so it doesn't cost you a penny. You can also go on Indeed. Indeed actually has a way of actually posting jobs. So you can post jobs on Indeed for free. So once you post your jobs on Indeed, it does ask you at the bottom, do you want to sponsor this vacancy? And you can just click no, post without budget, or post for free, and you can post for free. There are so many other free job boards as well that you can go on. So if you go onto Google and type in like free job boards, it'll give you some websites that you can actually just go on and post for free. Okay, so one of them being Adzuna. I've not used Adzuna before, but it's a free job board posting, so it doesn't cost you anything. Why not just post on Adzuna, post on Found It, we previously known as Monster. Glassdoor, I've used personally before in the past, and we've had quite a lot of candidates coming back to us from Glassdoor saying we've found your vacancy on Glassdoor. So it's a free job board. So if you just go on, you can always go on Google, just have a little look around here. As we said, LinkedIn as well, it's free. Simply Hired and Career Builder. So these are just a couple of examples of free job boards that you can post out your vacancies to the wider public, and have people coming back to you, and get more organic traffic coming your way. And that's it for this module. I hope you've enjoyed and benefited, and I will see you on the next one.